Welcome back, YouTubers. This is the second part of the Orbit Marine Light. It does have a few weather features in it. This particular setting is Moonlight. The next setting that we're moving on here is Moonlight with a little bit of rolling clouds. So you see the peak of the sun coming throughout the tank there. And then we have some rolling clouds with sun rays coming through. These are all different options that you can set your programming to with your forecast. Then they have this random button where I think it just kind of just mixes all of the weather kind of together. It just randomly peeks in some sunshine throughout the tank with a little bit of darkness. And then we have a little bit of lightning. As you can see that flash there. And then we have another, a little bit more severe lightning storm here. And then this is a thunderstorm. The lights are dimmed blue when this happens. A little bit of white comes through. You can see the flashing off to the left hand corner. And then this is a moonlight setting, sunrise setting, cloudy setting. And I want to go back into my program, and then when you do have it on moonlight, I have no spectrum on at this time. I'm going to put this blue all the way up. So this is a 100% blue spectrum, excuse me. And then you can adjust it. This is down to about 30%. And this is all adjustable here from your device. The next thing I'm going to put on is white. This is how bright this can go at 100%. So this is all adjustable, like I said, from your device. I'm going to take off the whites, and then we're going to go completely red. And this is your red at 100%. And then mix in a little blue with that. It kind of gives it a purple effect. Take that off. And then we also have green. Go ahead and do 100% green if you want it to. Add a little red into that. Add a little blue, whites. So these features are pretty cool, I think. But I'm going to go ahead and get my blue set back up here. So yeah, so that is the weather forecast. Like I said, you do have an option of setting that up with your device. And when you have it on random, you get rolling clouds, random, storm, full storm, and then you have your percentages on the side. And if you don't want that, you can just click that off, and you can your tank will just be sunny. And then you can always adjust your color scheme so that it's kind of your preference. We're going to go ahead and do this at a 10K, 12, 14, and then this is fluorescent. So these are just some of the features that this Marine Orbit IC Loop offers. So if you like it, so far I've had this for a month. I've had no issues with it. This is what the home screen looks like again. And all of these are accessible just by a touch of a button. And then you do have your program capabilities to change the weather, your color, your hours. You also have for the pumps. You go into your settings. You can also do your min and max on your temperature. So far I haven't had any problems with this. I do have a few coral in my tank. I do have some leather coral. I'll get a little bit closer for you guys. I have some leather coral there. And then I have some zoantha flowers in there. I do have a little bit of GSP. I have 2 mushrooms. And I got a Kenya tree up there with a little bit more of zoas. So if you like this light, I would recommend it. It's not bad. It's pretty sleek, it's pretty bright, serves its purpose. Like I said, you are able to adjust things. I have mine on my iPod. It does have a feature where you can lock everything in place, so no one can go in and just pick up your controller and change everything on you. So right now I'm gonna switch my tank back to its daylight setting that I have it on. Soon I will be actually dropping to the moonlights, just because it's from, you know, the way I have it set up. And then here's your sunset, sunrise, daylight. There's not much out there on this product, so I figured I would just do a short little additional video to the setup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.